What's going on, everyone? Back again today to report on last week's video and let you know how I actually went with the affiliate marketing strategy. Now, this was a super simple strategy that anybody could actually use and implement on Twitter, where you don't actually need an audience and you don't need to set up websites or anything like that. All you're doing is finding products for people who are already looking for product and just connecting with that product and potentially getting a sale or commission as a result of that. So you pretty much already got a warm or hot audience because they're out there explicitly asking, where can I buy a certain product? All you're doing is going to Amazon, finding the link and actually posting it on their page and potentially getting the sale. As a result, the drum roll please, I will let you know how I went right now. I failed. I got 0 sales doing this strategy. Now the strategy actually does work because I did get over 40 clicks on my links, but I wasn't consistent with myself and I wasn't able to get the sales as a result of that. Now, is it a strategy that I would use long-term to try and make money? Probably not, because the commissions on the products were so low, like between 1 and 5% for the products, that even if I did get a sale of something which was like say $20, 1% of that is 20 cents almost, or yeah, 20 cents to a dollar, where for the amount of time and effort I put into actually trying to do so, wasn't really worth it. Now, obviously there are strategies out there with affiliate marketing which you can make a significant amount of money with. This strategy to me just wasn't one of them. But if it is something you do want to start to actually generate some kind of online income, it is actually quite viable. Like I said, I did get clicks through the links to the Amazon website, but they just didn't convert into sales. Now, I did only do this for about half an hour to an hour every day, and to be honest, the first 2 days after I actually did last week's video, I did nothing with it. So it definitely can be something you can actually implement and actually work on actually producing a little bit of money. And especially if you are starting out and you are kind of strapped for cash, it is a strategy that you can use. But like I said, it's not something that I'd probably spend a lot of time doing. I might spend a bit more time next week or so just seeing if I can get that one sale, because I'm the type of person that just likes to actually succeed at stuff. So getting that one sale means like, okay, I've actually achieved that. I can let it go and move back to what I would normally do. So we'll jump over to my Twitter and my laptop and actually show you one of the posts I actually did for somebody. And I'll try to make it a little bit more personal, saying, hey, instead of just posting the link and saying, here it is, go, hey, I think I found the one you're looking for, or something similar. Here's the link, enjoy. So there's a bit more kind of conversation with it, and it did get a bit more attraction as a result. I think on one of the links I clicked, I actually got like 30 clicks through, which is decent, but like I said, just didn't convert into any sales. All right, so I'm just on my Twitter here, and as you can see, one of the ways I was actually finding these products was I was searching for the term, where can I buy? And just hitting enter, and it was coming up with a whole bunch of people looking for products to buy. So as you can see here, I said, where can I buy this? And they're referring to this egg timer or this kind of kitchen timer just here. So what I would then go and do is go to Amazon and actually try and find the exact same product or something similar. As you can see, this is the one I found. As I wrote, I couldn't find the exact timer, but I found one which is similar buttons and settings, and I'd just paste the affiliate link and potentially they would go out and buy it. So got 12 views. They actually liked it. Don't think they actually commented on it after. Oh yeah, they did. They said thank you. But like I said, it could have potentially gotten into a sale. It just hasn't updated for yesterday's traffic and sales. So potentially I could get one over the night, but from the data I've got so far, as I said, I haven't got any sales just yet. 42 link clicks, and I'm sure there's a lot more views, but that was a result of this strategy. And as you can tell, it's doable, but not something I'd pursue long term. So as I said, a strategy for a beginner who doesn't actually have an audience, it is viable because there's already an audience there who are looking for a certain product. You just got to connect them with it. Like I said though, not something I'd do long term. There are much simpler ways of doing affiliate marketing, much more lucrative ways of doing affiliate marketing, which convert a lot better. So like I said, that's not what I'm doing. I'm going to go back to the way I normally do it and just refine what I'm doing to actually improve on my skills and get more conversions and more sales over time. And I'll keep you updated on that as well. In the meantime, guys, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys again in the next video. Cheers.